The wall is painted pleasant pink. The bunk beds neatly stacked, each with a pillow and new sheets, and the bath and lavatory simple sans the frills. Not bad for lifetime accommodations that await the biggest thieves in government who need not feel threatened at all by the fairly modest arrangements with the ICI checked earlier today to their satisfaction, as we hear more from our Harley Valbuena.
The detention facility for those involved in anomalous flood control projects is now set and ready for occupancy. Earlier today, the Independent Commission for Infrastructure or ICI and the Department of the Interior and Local Government or DILG inspected the new Quezon City Jail facility in Payatas Road.
Pinapakita lang namin kung saan sila malalagay. Pinapakita namin kung sinasabi ng batas. Pinapakita namin kung anong ayon sa ginawa nilang, kung anong inakos ng krimen. Paano magiging intimidation yon? Kung pinapakita lang namin yung tama sa batas.
According to the DILG, the new jail facility has a total of 108 dormitories and can accommodate over 1,000 detainees. But the question is, will this be enough to take in all those involved, particularly in relation to the discovered 421 ghost flood control projects?
Isang kaso lang, halimbawa. Ilan ang involved dyan? Sino-sino yan? Kung may rig bidding pa yan, ang dami mong isasama riyan. So, kada isa, 10 na lang minimum. Ay kung 421 yan, times 10. Oh, kulang.
The DILG meanwhile explained that the new Quezon City Jail facility was chosen as detention center for those who will be indicted in the flood control scam, since it is the closest prison relative to the Sandigan Bayan. Secretary Remulla also assured that the new jail facility has adequate medical equipment so that high-profile detainees can no longer use medical conditions as an excuse for hospital arrest.
Yung PGH, Payatas General Hospital, meron po kaming infirmary dito, lalagyan namin ng lahat ng resuscitation machine. Kung dialysis kailangan, maglalagay kami ng dialysis machine. Kung kailangan nila ng heart monitoring equipment, maglalagay rin kami. So wala nang excuse para sabihin nilang kailangan St. Luke's sila. Lahat ng kailangan sa St. Luke's, andi dito na rin.
For now, the ICI still cannot ascertain how many will be jailed due to the flood control anomaly. But rest assured, they are working diligently, gathering evidence for a stronger case build-up.
We will make sure that the level is enough for indictment. And we will make sure that our evidence is based on a fair assessment.
What we are trying to do is look at other medyo mabilis-bilis na paglilitis at mas mabilis ma-identify kagad kung sino yung dapat managot.
Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.